Ito lang. Ayan na, may ano na ako. Hi, mga people. Hi, mga people. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, for sure mag-FB10 to. Huwag kayong maano. Punyeta naman eh. Kasi ano, nagda-drive si Bana. Kasama ko si Maxi.
Hi.
Yes. Diba? Hi, Amelie! Nawala yung naregalo mo sa aking ano, tumbler. Naiinis ako. Ang ganda mo sa Pampanga. Thank you so much. Oh my God, grabe yung tao dyan sa Vanta. I can wait to go back. Sobra akong nag-enjoy as in. Ang saya. Kalma, be. Kalma. Nagda-dry, tas maulan. So, talaga, confirm yung FB10, diba? Pero, ang mahalaga, nakikita yung face, diba? Ma-shoutout mo ako, love you. Love you, be. Kalma kayo, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung signal. Kasi naman, di ba? Shit. Oh my God, paano ko gagawin to? Paano ko sasolusyonan yung mga gantong bagay? Because my mother is a teacher. My father is a soldier. Natatakot ako. Ayan, medyo nawawala na siya. Bitbitin mo si Maxi next time sa Vanta. Yes! Nakaline. Ay, shit. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin, pero one thing is for sure. May kita nyo siya. Doon. Ah, magsasatin to wash agad. Unang basag agad sila. Hi, Carl. I miss you so much. Te, ano naman sinasabi mo? Labo mo, te. Wala ka ng pakialam. Pakialamera. Kamukha ko si Mama Mary. Okay kayo, kahawigan lang. Sa lahat na nagpapa-shoutout sa inyo. Sino jowa ni Maxi? Given, si Kiana nga. Diba Koibi kayo ni Kiana? Koibi sila ni Kiana.
Hala.
Ano nangyari? Ha? Red light lang. Pwede, yung tricycle nga pasok ko. Kahawigan ko lang si Mama Mary. Kumbaga Mama Mary next on the list, it's me. Uy, nag-ikot-ikot na tayo ba na? Pwede maging kabit, be. We don't promote kabit because ika-anim na utos ng Diyos, huwag kang makikiapid at simbahan to. Nakikita nyo. So, alam nyo na, diba? Tsaka me being ka-face si Mama Mary, yeah. We don't uplift the community that way. Okay? Parang ang Curtis ma'am, grabe naman kayo. May mga ano lang, may mga umaanggulo lang na ano, ang Curtis. Ayan no, ang Curtis. Ako sa inyo! Pero at least kahit FB10 tayo, diba? I am pure and innocent. 101%. Give nyo! Give. Be! Naka-FB10 talaga. Mag-FB10. I-expect nyo na yan. Huwag kayong parang bobo given. Mag-send sa atin 200 pesos, be. Huwag kayong parang bobo te kasi gumagalaw. Nagda-drive, diba? At the same time, online. Ang hirap-hirap yung paliwanagan. Pag si kuya sa pamilya na inaway kayo, bala kayo dyan. Inaaway nyo na naman at asya. Iwain mo sila. Mag-hi ka naman sa kanila. Hello!
Hi guys!
Hello mga tao!
Hello mga tao!
Yes! Fight! Mag-drive ka, be. Pinight mo, wow!
Taga dito si ano?
Sino?
Marvin.
Okay. Oo. Nakapunta na ako dito. Lag nga, given. Malag talaga. Expect nyo na malag. Kasi nga, nag-live. Kayo talaga, kung di nyo sasabihin maganda ako sa live, sasabihin nyo pogi si Maxi. Kaya yung ulo, ano eh. Ganun na ganun. Dahil sa inyo, minsan ganda na lang din talaga ako sa
People.
well, I do believe in a saying that if you have it, then show it. Let the ugly face die. Tama ba yung English ko? Uwi na bataan. Ay! Mag-send sa atin, go hacks! 500 pesos. Tetalbugan nyo yun. Poging ganda niyang nakakagigil. Inis na inis ka naman. Gigil ka naman. Mana-stress ako. Ba't ka nai-stress? Papasa mo yung stress mo sa akin na yan? Ha? Gusto mong magkagulo-gulo na tayo lahat? Gulo-gulo! Nag-expect ba kami ng lip-sync battle ng Galang Sisters sa Drugs? Churut, pink-kambara. Kasi maganda ka naman talaga, ma. Wag na English, ma. No! I have to start speaking English because I am so brainy. I am so 100 MB and nobody can take that away from me. Because I am the... Aside from... Shit. Tatawid.
Pasabog naman kasi magbabayo mga jeep.
Jeep, gitnang-gitna sila magbabapasabog.
Gitna nyo pa. Itutok mo pa.
Gitna mo pa kaya, Jeep ni hey. Where am I again? What am I talking about?
Ayaw umayos, ayaw nga ipa-face out eh. Ayaw
Diba?
umayos, gusto nga pa-face out pa.
Nadadama yung mga jeep na nagtatrabaho ng maayos eh.
Mga tarantadong jeepney driver talaga.
Sa kayo punta, ma? Punta kami Cavite. Pipitas lang kami ng halaman doon, tapos uwi na rin kami. Yes, I am beauty with a purpose and brain with a purpose. So beauty and brain, combine it together, that's me, your Filipina goddess Angel Galang. Yeah, aside from being a pinakamasarap, I should be the smartest one because being gay in our society, being a transgender in our society is never been easy. You have to be
Show look,
how look or give a look. You have to be, aside from you have to be very demure, you have to be very mindful. Right or left? Happy birthday, Justin Gora. Tadjobi mo. Bakala, yung mga handa, ipadala mo na yan. Let's go back to the topic. Me being, sige, iihi nyo dyan sa highway.
Hinihino.
You can ask me, any question, I will answer it. Only English question that I will answer, ha? But if that's not English, I will not waste my time, okay? Only English. Yeah, I know. So your question is, ba't ang ganda mo? My God. You know what? Living in this earth, putting my both leg on the top of this world, it feels like me being beautiful is not my fault. But then I have to say sorry for having this pretty face, because this pretty face really makes other people happy. And what else? Got it? Yeah, me being as Angel Galang, not the most usually, actually, but one of the most.
Tsaka ng buhok ko.
If the dog has 4 legs, how do you brush your teeth? Okay, I will teach you how to brush your teeth. As simply as this. You know what? You're holding your phone right now. So go to the YouTube. I'm pretty sure you have a YouTube. Then type it there, your question. And that's the answer. YouTube will answer with itself. You know what I
To
mean?
the point.
Direct to the point. No halong palabok. Ay, ang ganda ng jeep, lavender. Lavender's field siya. Yes, focus siya muna sa pagdadrive.
Oo, kasi mga bobo yung mga driver.
Tapos mga jeepani pa yung mga ka-back to back to the another dimension. Dun. Sino na, who won? In English, who won? Sino na nanalo in English, who won? Who is the daughter of your mother? Okay, the daughter of my mother is the one that in the front of that one. Do you see that one? That girl? Yes, definitely. I am that girl. Me, Angel Galang, the pinakamasarap. Right or left? I am the mother of my daughter. I am the daughter of my mother because she luwals me in this world. What is the English of luwals?
Give birth.
She gave birth of me
I am the
to be able to
I am
breathe.
the daughter of my mother, and I am the mother of the house.
I'm the mother of the house. Yes. I am the chosen one. I am the itinakda one. In Tagalog, tinakda. I am the chosen one to become what you are. To become what you are. To be capable of who you becoming. Is the secret of an happy life. So hold on to the book of life. Okay? If you know what ikaw na lang mag-senador. You know what? Me being ay pinakamasarap, I don't have the ability to do other things such as doing a senator because that's nothing. How about you? Do you want to be a senator?
Asikaso.
And all I can answer that I get, Your Honor, I forgot. Oh, Your Honor, I really forgot.
Saan tayo? What the fuck?
Uy, banak, saan na tayo nagpunta-punta?
Yeah, I think this.
But anyways, I already have a passport. So I already got my passport and I'm gonna go to Australia. That's why I am right now, right here, sitting here, right, you see, beside Maxi, I'm sitting here. I am starting to do English because I know I can, and you too, you can. If I can, you guys can. We all can.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, everyone! Mamansin ka, Angel, naglurot ako sa'yo, tapos may mga kutsilyo. Be, tignan mo. Dito yan, oh. Tignan mo. We're in Cavite. We're going on Tanza. We don't have any show right there, but we just need to take a deep breath. Yeah. Dubai. Okay, Dubai. When we are talking about Dubai, we're talking about Habibi. Habibi. Uy, pero maayos sa tanong naman. Alam mo, dahil sa'yo, mas na-inspired ako ako as a trans woman kasi you represent us. Yes, I want to be the reflection of those people who don't believe in themselves. To those people, they feel down. That life goes on. It's just the hormones after all. It's just a topak. It's just a amats, you know. You have to, if you don't enjoy it, the essence of hormones, then how about the alcohol and cigarettes? Everybody is good. But in moderation. Diba? What's the first thing you do after the finale? The first thing that comes in my mind after the finale, of course, to go to the racket. Because I have racket kinabukasan. But seriously, I wanna have a moment together with my family, of course, my loved ones. To those, I wanna spend my time to the peoples that give me power, strength, and the ability. Who give me the ability to showcase what I really got. And you too, you can. Can I see your driver? My driver is Manong Maxi.
Kapal mo. Kamu nga isa kong mata.
Ang taba ng face mo, pero ang pogi mo ba na? People really loves you. Aside from you're such a handsome and I am beautiful, feeling ko deserve lang manalo ng maganda at gwapo. Hindi naman gano'n. Para sa lahat naman. Iniiba mo naman, Angel Galang. Pogi naman ang driver mo. Pwede, no. If you max it, take away from me, then who's fight for me? Who's Maxi is one of my greatest alliance. You know alliance?
Tang ina nyo.
Wala na tuloy, nag-iba na yung color. Need namin ng brain mo, Angel. Okay.
Wala.
Send me your address, then I will deliver you my brain. What can you say about the War of the Stick? Oh, the World War grand finale because of the gravity of the stick. Gravity inside the stick. Okay. When we say stick, it is something that one person should have to be. Especially me.
Ano naman pagsasabi mo, Day?
What can you say about laplapan nila Maxi and Kiana, mga bakla? Kaya tayo na nilalaot ng lipunan. Bakla, bakla. No, just kidding.
Baby, I'm just kidding.
Maybe I'm just kidding. I don't act like across the sea. Well, support. May nag-text sa akin, mamaya kita si Kasuhe. Hi, Angel. Ganda na dyan pa ba si Maxine? Best siya yung nagda-drive.
Alam mo yung ang tagal-tagal ng stoplight, tapos ang bobobo ng mga
Sige, saka i-open mo sa mga tao yan. Dito yung mga
tagal-tagal ng stoplight, tapos dun sila mag-change ng lane sa line. Mga bobo. Kasi binibigyan nyo ng mga lisensya yung mga bobong driver. Bobo na kayo. Yoko na.
Send your PayPal. Do you have PayPal?
I have.
jbot15@gmail.com. Am I correct?
Yes.
Correct me if I'm wrong, Miss Ma'am.
Yes, Miss Ma'am.
Yeah, so jbot15@gmail.com. Sir, you're driving me crazy. Epal mo naman. Crazy. Naging crazy. Sinusumpong.
Tumbas na to, tanga.
Ang laki-laki mong bas!
Ang laki mo, nagpapakatanga ka.
Ginigit-git mo kami, mga feminine lang kami. What is your Gcash? My Gcash is down there. The one that means...
Don't wanna die.
Someone sent us 200 pesos and I really appreciate that. Because me being Angel Galang, I will able to get... ouch! My finger is locking. Okay, let's go back to the 200 pesos that... Ewan ko nga, sa'yo nag-road trip, zoom na tayo eh. Okay. Lasing ka ba, ma? Hindi ako lasing, be. Normal na tao. Casual lang. Ganito lang talaga ako. My nose is... Ay! Another person from another dimension send a 200 pesos. Okay, that's I'm gonna buy Dayan. If you know, Dayan is my pill.